For this assignment, we would like you to show your learning with a creative media project. This video is intended to walk you through the rubric for this project. It will have 3 components. First, you will choose your topic. Second, you will choose how you want to present your topic and select an appropriate tool or app to create it. Third, you will actually develop your media project while being sure to use copyright-free or freely shared material and avoid plagiarism. 1. This course has had many themes such as economics, religion, gender roles, and the formation of states. Choose a theme and explore its development through history. Examples might include the origins of modern states, the history of race, changing roles for women through history, and changing governmental systems. Your job is to take something we learned in this class and turn it into a multimedia project. 2. Your media project can be visual, using either still or moving images. It can be audio, text, or any combination of those. A good app to use has several attributes. First, pay attention to cost. If you're not paying for it, you probably have to give up some privacy or access to your data. Make sure to read the terms of use carefully. You can also use a service like Proulx to read the terms of use for you. Make sure that whatever product you make is accessible. For instance, an audio or audiovisual project should also have captions and/or alt text for sight-impaired users. Finally, make sure that whatever app you use can output a file format or a link to your project that you can upload to your school's learning management system for grading. Here are some suggestions for final projects. You can make a series of memes, or a podcast, or a video, or a series of short videos. You can write and record a song or poem, or even a dance. Your project can be humorous, or it can take the tone of a serious documentary. You can make an illustrated infographic or a timeline. You can even construct something physically and then photograph it or document it in another way for sharing. The only limitation is your imagination and how you relate it to the course content. Here are some examples of possible projects. The changing roles of women in the Tang dynasty of China, done through a pictorial exploration of artworks. An illustrated timeline of people of African descent in Europe and European colonies. How dance treatises of the Renaissance show a new conception of the human body, done with a video interpretation of those dances. A podcast interviewing a scholar of Islam on how Muhammad's vision was a break with traditional Arab culture. An infographic on the influence of the Mongol Empire on both Asian cultures and on European cultures. The final project should follow the usual rules of attribution for any sources you cite. Furthermore, when creating media projects, there are special considerations. It is also plagiarism to use someone else's copyrighted work and claim it as your own, but even if you remix it, you still need to acknowledge the original sources. Be sure to research the copyright on any media you incorporate. Creative Commons is a good place to start. Please refer to the attribution section of this textbook when you've come up with an idea. Run it by your instructor for their approval. Have fun and good luck.